Hello, my good friends, and welcome to another CLK Video Productions production. I am your very humble and very beloved host, Chris Colt. Today we have one of Fifine Microphone's top sellers, and it's called the Fifine K688. And you are listening and looking at this baby right now. I was able to get it in the white. Full disclosure, I got to tell you that Fifine did send me this microphone free of charge for evaluation. Thank you very much, Fifine. I appreciate it. However, their policy and mine is to give my 100% honest opinion without being swayed whatsoever by the company. So that's what you're going to have today. Anyways, this microphone is a hybrid. So it uses XLR and USB connectivity. When you have both at the same time, the XLR will supersede and override the USB. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to break off, we're going to start in the XLR, and we're going to do a little sound testing. Okay? Let's do it. I'm all excited. All right, friends, welcome back, and we are going to do our sound testing now. You're going, what sound testing? Well, we're going to check for plosives, sibilants, and off-axis rejection. And you'll see what I mean here in a second. Now, one thing that I like to mention from the manufacturer, they say when you speak into the microphone, please speak within 6 to 2 inches away. They actually said the closer the better. So, I'm speaking pretty close to the microphone, as you can see, but I am speaking off axis, and I'll tell you that why I'm doing that in a second. But let's get started. All right, I'm going to speak directly into the microphone. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, how many packs of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? That was for plosives. She sells seashells at the seashore. That was for our S's. And another hard consonant, B. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, we're going to do our white noise test on off-axis rejection. Okay? And we're going to make a 360-degree circle around the mic. 0. 90 degrees left. 180 degrees. 90 degrees right. 0 for 360 degrees. Okay. Excellent. Not bad whatsoever. Now, you notice that I was speaking directly into the microphone. That was to put it under drastic conditions. Blowing air directly into the capsule. Now, I did take the foam protector off, and we're going to see how it goes without that. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. See? Not very good. But it's made for the foam thing, so just leave it on. You'll be fine. Now, also what helps is, like I just mentioned, speaking off axis. That helps considerably and lessens the chances of these P's and B's and T problems. So you'll be good. All right, so that was it for the XLR. So let's go ahead and switch it over to the USB now. All right, folks, now we're using the K688 in the USB format. Now, what I did was, you can still see that the XLR is plugged in, but no worries. You can go into your computer's properties and switch the card out to Fifine microphones, and you're good to go. So that's what I did. You're listening to raw, unprocessed sound. This is the way it sounds straight out of the box, just like you heard with the XLR. As far as feature goes, this here is my headphone. The top knob right here is my headphone knob. Okay, so you're not going to hear anything that's going on with that. On here, down at the bottom knob, now that's my volume gain, my microphone gain. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I do have it maxed out. And it's looking good at about a -6. All right, as you can also see, I'm also plugged in to headphones. I got it direct linked into the microphone with 0 latency. Now on the top, and we'll do a cutaway for this, there is a mute button and it's lit up. It is a microphone icon that's in green when it's working. When I turns to red. Now it is a soft touch mute button. So you don't have to worry about any clicking mechanical crap going on. No loud noises and stuff. Just hey, can't hear anything. It's just wonderful. All right. So let's do a quickie sound test and see how she does. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells by the seashore. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Now that was outstanding. Even better than the XLR. So anyways, we're going to cut it off and switch over to everyone's favorite segment, which is called What's in the Box? Okay, everyone, we are back with the world famous What's in the Box segment. Now, first off, here is the box. It's a small thing, not real big box, very light. Microphone's pretty light. Obviously, you get the microphone with this really cool, first off, the microphone's made out of metal. The shock mount is also metal, okay? It's got really thick rubber bands on it. Also, you get this 8.2 foot USB cable. It does not come with the XLR cable. You have to provide that yourself. Okay, so if you want to run with the big boys and get hooked up with a sound mixer and stuff, you're going to need to get an XLR cable. Also, finally, in the box, besides the literature, which I'm not going to show, I can't find it right at the moment, but you also get a 3/8 to 5/8 adapter, and you get 2 extra rubber bands for your shock mount. So that's pretty cool. I like that they did that. No microphone companies never did that before. Now they're starting to do that, and I appreciate it very much because those things dry out over time. I can just have them sitting in my office without any sun or ventilation blowing on them, and they still pop. So I'm looking at you, Mono. Anyways, that's what was in the box. Okay, everyone, now we're going to wrap this bad boy up, and I'm going to give you a bit of my evaluation on this microphone. First off, I thoroughly enjoy it. I think it looks great. It's got a very strong metal build, very strong metal shock mount. It looks beautiful. It's got USB and XLR connectivity. Sounds great. It's got this really cool, cushy, soft foam windscreen on it, which feels good, and I'm enjoying that too much. So, and it's a great value. And to talk about great values, I'm going to have a slew of coupon offers for you guys down below. Fifine sent me a bunch of links so you guys can enjoy a nice discount on your microphone. Now, the opportunities are for many people all over the world. We've got Amazon United States, Amazon UK, Amazon California. Yep, like their own country. And there'll also be a discount code for the Fifine store. So you can save anywhere from 10 to 15%. Just look for the best price and make your purchase. We think you'll be happy. And you're listening to it right now. Gotta admit, I did a little tweaking on it during the What's in a Box segment. Very, very ever so slightly, because it sounds so good right out of the box. I really don't even need to do much. So anyways, you guys, I'm going to sign off for this one. Thank you for joining me. If you really enjoy my videos and enjoy my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so you can get notifications on when my new stuff comes out. And down the road, we'll have more microphones for you, including more Fifines. All right. Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care. Bye.